Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to blow up on YouTube in 2025? Because this year is going to be a game changer for content creators everywhere. Buckle up because it's easier than ever before. With the right strategies and tools, you can skyrocket your channel's growth. I'm going to show you how to harness the latest changes and go viral. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tips will help you navigate the new landscape. First, let's talk about the 2025 game changers. The digital world is evolving, and so should your content strategy. AI tools like ChatGPT are a creator's best friend. They can help you generate ideas, write scripts, and even optimize your content for better engagement. Need ideas? Just ask ChatGPT. It's like having your own brainstorming buddy that's available 24/7. It's like having your own brainstorming buddy. Imagine never running out of content ideas again. And don't forget YouTube Shorts, super engaging videos that the algorithm loves. These bite-sized videos are perfect for capturing attention quickly. Speaking of the algorithm, it's been tweaked to favor engaging, short-form content. This means your shorts have a higher chance of being discovered. So keep it snappy and fun. The more engaging your content, the better it will perform. Now for some easy growth strategies. These tips will help you gain traction and grow your audience. Jump on trends and use hashtags to get noticed. Trends are a great way to tap into what's currently popular and get more eyes on your content. Collaborate with micro-influencers. They have loyal audiences that trust their recommendations. This can help you reach new viewers who are likely to be interested in your content. And create bingeable playlists to keep viewers hooked. Playlists encourage viewers to watch multiple videos in one sitting, increasing your watch time and engagement. Here's a step-by-step blueprint to blow up. Follow these steps to maximize your growth potential. Start with a weekly content schedule. Consistency is key. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Use AI to optimize your thumbnails and titles. Eye-catching visuals and compelling titles are crucial for attracting clicks. Eye-catching thumbnails and catchy titles are a must. Analyze your competitors to see what's working for them and how you can improve your own content. See what's working for them and put your own spin on it. Innovation and creativity will set you apart. Finally, here are some quick tips to get you started. These small changes can make a big difference. Be authentic, be consistent, and most importantly, have fun. Your passion will shine through and attract like-minded viewers. The time to start is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start creating today and refine your process as you go. So, go out there and make 2025 your breakthrough year. Happy creating. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination.